Whoop, wrong camera. Hello, welcome everyone. Welcome to the stream. We're doing game dev today, everybody. Howdy, partners. Dexter with the first. Welcome in, everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I say we dive right into it. No messing about. There's nothing to catch up on. Let's just vamonos. Okay.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Happy 7 months, Jace. Helps a lot.
Thank you very much, Piece of Mojado. Much appreciated. A 7-month sub. Thank you, thank you. So today I want to work on cutscene and actions, which is something that I've put off for a while. But I've planned a bunch of it now, so I think I'm happy to dive in and go for it. Yeah. Hatless Jace, yeah. Hatless Jace. New hairstyle, yes. I've had my hair up before. Yeah, so we'll see how we go. I'm still not entirely sure how I want to handle stage settings. So that is like, if I go to a level, but if it's part of a cutscene, maybe I don't want all the default NPCs there. So I might need to remove them. I might need to set up, like set the stage with other NPCs or other items or whatever needs to be there as part of the cutscene. So that's something that I'm not entirely sure of, but I have like an idea for it. It's a very simple idea, which is basically I can just design nodes and then just like load those nodes in and then remove everything else that I want to remove. So that might work. But in any case, I think I might leave them for now. And instead, what I might do, this is an easy one. We can start with that. I don't actually have a music system, but we can probably just do one of these and just make some really naive thing. Play animation may actually be done, not gonna lie. And then the camera is the big one. That's the one that I really want to take care of today. If I can get the camera situation sorted, then I'm a happy camper. I don't think I need to actually worry about these. Yeah, we're gonna be in a good place if I can get some of this done. These are actually optional. The load NPCs and remove NPCs. Hello, Fallen Angel. Hello, hello, Macaroni. XD Stock. Yes, hello. Yeah, Hatless Chase. Yeah, hello. Cool. Let's do it. Let's do it. Bit of a late stream today, not the usual time. I did some stuff with the Nuggets folks earlier, and then just got back and started stream. Vamonos. So, yeah. Okay, so let's pick something and get going. Let's just start with this. This will be a nice warm-up for how cutscene actions work. At the moment, where are they? Here. I do have a play animation. I knew it. I knew it. We already did this. Now I remember the stream that I did this. There are some things though. I haven't included whether or not it should loop. Maybe that doesn't actually matter though. I think that that's something that I can solve later if I need to. But for now, alright, well, we can cross one thing off the list. Because past Jace is a genius. Show main character. Cutscene action. I think it's handy. Like, I mean, I feel like there could be a generic thing where you could just show or hide anyone. But showing and hiding the main character might be a common thing. But maybe not. See, I think it's a handy thing because the way the game works right now, the main character is in every scene. Even in scenes where maybe they aren't, right? Like they're not supposed to be, but like under the hood they're in the scene. Which is like maybe a bad thing. But yeah, I think I'm gonna make a generic show character action, and then show main character can just be a shorthand for it. I think that's probably better. So let's do that. Duplicate maybe. Kui, hello, hello. Hey, Grod, how you doing? Sup. Thanks, Past Chase, helps a lot. Yeah. I'm sick. You know, geez, now that I'm back doing this again, I need to get rid of these underscores, man. I need to get rid of these. I keep flip-flopping on what I want to do with it. I hate them. So showing and hiding probably shouldn't. No, that won't block. And then here we'll need a character, which will be this. These can go. And then here. How do I want to... This won't make a difference. That was a really good comment that I left there. Holy shit. Thanks again, Past Jace. Helps a lot. Do I just want to change the visibility? Maybe. This might be enough. And then, where do I make my shorthands for this stuff? Helpers here. Hey Dizzies. RuneLight, didn't know you played OSRS? Oh, I'm a big RuneScape player, but you know, currently I'm on a break, right? Because no one actually quits RuneScape. I haven't played in a while. I haven't played in about maybe like a year, a bit more, maybe like a year or two. But yeah, I love RuneScape. Fidget toying with underscore. Add them, remove them, add them again. Yeah, I mean, it's so inconsistent throughout my entire code base. Cause I visually don't like their aesthetic. If that's like a weird thing, I don't like it. But at the same time, I like the function, right? You immediately know without checking anything else that this is gonna be like a private variable, you know? I kind of like that. So maybe I keep it. Yeah. We'll see. What do you do, Groud? What do you do? Private field starting with underscores is required as part of your standards in my job, yeah. Yeah, I generally think that those like kind of rules aren't completely necessary, but like if you're in a workplace and there's a lot of people and you want to set a standard, it makes total sense to have a standard. Yeah, in my opinion. But like what the standard is probably doesn't matter too much, just as long as everyone's on the same page. Let's see, show. I think Visible is maybe better. I don't know, randomly pick one depending on the day to try to forget about it, right? All right, cool, cool, cool. That is a mood. That is a mood. Active cutscene. Right, because now we go to here. I think we have a bunch of other functions. Or, where's this? PG cutscene. Adding cutscene actions to my system is a little bit cumbersome because I added in different areas, but I do like what it sort of gives me in the end. I still think that maybe like one of these steps could be removed, but it's not too bad. It's just setting things up. Using it at the end is fine. So now if I want a shorthand thingy of main character, I could just plug it in here, for example. Is there any issue of doing that? Because I think I can get... See, I should be able to do that.
Oh boy!
Oh boy.
Whoop whoop.
Whoop whoop, false ear. Yo, thank you very much for the resub. Much appreciated. 9 months. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. How's your time in Mexico going? Hope you're doing good there. If you're a single dev and will always be who cares? On a team, consistency is key though. Yeah, it's pretty helpful on a team. I've worked in some teams where there's really not a lot of consistency and things kind of still work anyway, but I think maybe that starts to depend on the size of teams. Like I think when teams get like really big, maybe like this becomes super helpful. But another thing where I think these standards are really helpful is when you have any kind of like public facing connection, right? So it's like, so for example, the folks who programmed the Godot engine, it's really important that they have like consistent like naming of things and capitalizations of things, because there are other people who rely on that consistency when they're like working using the code, right? The engine itself. So like those kind of situations make sense. So if you're creating like an API for, you know, other businesses to use or something like that, all that stuff makes super sense then as well. It's good. Got home from vacay from Cancun not long ago. Don't feel rested, but I've worked. Yeah, that's the thing with some vacations, right? You come back from vacations more tired than when you left. But hopefully you had a good time there, and that's like the most important thing, I guess. So this really should never ever. Yeah, this should be fine to just plop into here. Should be fine. Yeah, fuck it. Just let it error, I guess. Okay, so now we have 2 actions that should show or hide the main character, or a specified character. So that should, in theory, already work. Let's see, what's one way we can test this real quick? How are you? How's Sweden treating you? I bet you guys have nice weather. We have had. Right now, it was really nice and warm early today. Now it's just so humid. So incredibly humid, and it is raining. It is raining. But it's kind of nice, though. It's nice, like... I love it when it gets really, really, really rainy, and you're inside. So that's nice. And it's cooling things down, so that's nice, too. Swap Mario's position? Yep. Bloop. Here they are. This is as high as I can get them. There you are. There you are. Hey, Pinoy. Sorry, I missed you. Holy shit. Hello. And, yeah, we did add the... Oh, you know what we haven't got? Shit. Oh, you know what? We have, streamer mode is currently on. So that's good. So that means I should probably turn on... Where is it? Alright, y'all can add dialogue to the game now. Using the dialogue command. And then it will, the game will use dialogue that you guys send in instead of actual game dialogue. So, okay. Just to show you guys that real quick. So Muglin's dialogue was just added. I'm a small fella. So here, look. This is Saronlin, never on Tuesdays, the flute. Lost TTY. What does it all mean from Avi? Is this thing on there? Muglin, there's your one. Your one's here. Marius is actually a potato. Let's see if that one pops up. Oh, it won't anymore because I have to restart the game if we get there. Yeah, exactly. I have to reload. Chat's fanfic. Fishing level. It does work on YouTube, yes, Eduardo. And also, YouTube and Twitch, you can talk to each other now. You use the commands !YT if you want to send a message from Twitch to YouTube. And people on YouTube, you can message people on Twitch with !TW. And you can see each other's chat up here. Any feed pic crowd, oh my god. You can also do dumb shit like this. You can use BB code. Nice. Dizzy's actually a potato. Dizzy, you are a potato. What does a potato doing an impression of a potato look like? I think there was like the... Where's the... Oh, there was Pinot on. Small fella. You died. Flip table. Who am I? I'm looking for the... here, there it is. See, look. That's pretty cool. I'm not... Okay, you know what? Eduardo, your thing did get added, but the bot said it on Twitch, but didn't say it on YouTube, and I don't really know why that is. So let me just take a quick look. Ah, well, there's a good reason, because I didn't tell it to. Hopefully that works. But it should be added. So yeah, there's that. That's pretty cool. Okay, so I need to test the... I'm so rusty. How do I get my cutscenes to work again? I can interact with something. Well, we can use this bucket here, this interaction. Play bucket cutscene. Let's use that. That's the start. Oh, here we go. Start cutscene. Right. Bucket cutscene. Sure. Let's not load the level. Let's do... So it says some shit. Or let's... first thing we can do maybe is... push... show main character. False. So they should turn... They should... turn invisible. Shit will get said. And then... and then they'll come back, I guess. So we'll see if that actually works. If I understand my completely bizarre system well enough. I really need to move the starting point. Okay, we got an error. That's pretty sick. I wonder what the null reference exception could be. Wow, what a surprise. Yo, I'm so fucking clammy and sweaty. It's like so incredibly humid. Ugh. Blah. Blah. Oh, I'm so dumb. Maybe set the variable. What do you think? Hey, bucko? Maybe set the variable. Oh! Hey, look, it worked. Oh, dang, you too, cause freaking same. Sousa, thank you very much for the follow. Much appreciated. Thank you. You know what I'm looking forward to? I'm looking forward to tomorrow's stream as well. Also, Macaroni Orange, your fishing level message just popped up. I'm looking forward to tomorrow's stream because I think we're gonna finish. Talos Principle tomorrow. That game is so fun. Okay, well, we can cross another thing off the list here. Well, we can actually cross it off and not delete it. Done. We can maybe do play and stop music. I think I have some... Shit, what music can I... Oh, yeah, okay. We have music we can use. Now, I have nothing regarding the music system set up. So, it's gonna have to be just something really, really naive. I honestly just want to play something and stop something, and maybe there'll be like a fade in, fade out. I'm not sure if I'll get to that today. I don't really care about that. I'll put in some like to-dos, but I think I just want to, yeah, the ability to play some music and stop it. So how am I gonna play music? How do I want to handle music at all? I might have to do some temporary BGM track in the Game Master. But like, I know that down the line, I'll probably want some kind of like music manager or like BGM manager. Maybe I make the BGM manager now and just have some bass thing there in preparation for further functionality later. That can make sense. Yeah, let's do that. Whenever I see utilities, I always think of like, you know, your gas, your water, you know. You have to work halfway through stream? Shit. What do you mean? What if stream ends now? All right. What if stream ends in 2 minutes from now? Huh? Then you won't be working halfway through stream. You want to play Islands of Insight and break your head with those puzzles? Yeah, having... Oh, tomorrow's stream. Right, I see. Maybe I'll finish the game in 2 minutes, huh? Did I get myself a Godot plushie? Oh, I've been on the fence. You know what? Not any longer. I want it. I think the FOMO would be way too hard if I didn't get the plushie. It's also so cute. Make shit. Yeah, I'm gonna here. I'm just kind of scared of opening up like. Wait, it should be fine to open up on. Sometimes I just get scared of like shopping sites. They're like, they'll ship to this address for this much. You know, to like fucking dox myself. You know, like I'm gonna open it up over here just in case. I get really paranoid about this shit. Okay, here, look, this is the plushie. See, look. For YouTube folks too. It's the plushie. So I think maybe I'll buy it live. Oh, live purchases! It's cool, right? Card number leak. Don't say that I fucking panicked, Grod. I don't save my card anywhere, though. It's like not like it could have leaked. Okay, wait, you know what? Here, we're going here. Just give me a second, folks. I'm having a fucking aneurysm. Because PayPal window popped up, and I'm like, oh my god. It popped up on the other monitor, so it's fine, but still. No one can see any. Okay. Now, look, I get paranoid about this shit because, like, I have done it before. I have. It's not a silly thing. Yeah. Alright, shipping. It's not the worst in the universe. Sometimes it's pretty bad. The shipping for me is only $9, which is okay. Yay, it's done! The deed is done. I'm getting a Godot plushie, and I'm excited. Only 9 over to Sweden. Yeah, it's not bad. Not bad. The effort required to cancel a car to get a new one warrants some anxiety, yeah. That reminds me, there are certain cards that need renewing. Actually, I need to do that stuff. I need to adult. Ew, I know. Made you spend money, sorry. No, I've been on the fence. I was like, I kind of want this. I do work with the engine. It does support the foundation, right? I'm pretty sure. As well. So, like, that's pretty good. I didn't fucking pay for the engine, man. You know? happy to pay for a plushie, get the plushie, and support the engine. Hey, so if you love the hair, thanks. It's all tied up at the back. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, so this one works. We're gonna do, we're gonna make a, where's the utilities at? Where are my utilities? Here. PG Music or BGM Manager? Music Manager? I don't like the BGMM Manager, you know? Maybe this ends up doing, maybe it's just like an audio manager. Sure, let's go with that for now. After 600 plushies sold, 30% of the price gets to the foundation. Nice. And I think y'all are well over 600, I believe. You're like well over 1,000, right? Yeah, 1,600. Nice. That's sick. Okay, so I forget how this shit works. So let's just have like I just want a background music, which is gonna be a audio stream of some kind. I know I did a lot of this audio shit with karaoke, but the karaoke minigame, I promptly developed PTSD and forgot everything about how that works. So let's see here. Here, maybe here we can PG karaoke. Minigame is probably not, nope. PG karaoke, song info, audio stream. Looks like we're using OGG for some reason. I don't really know why, but that's what we're gonna use now. BGM. And then we'll just make some public. Ooh. Could this just be static? Kind of hard to type with Marius's, you know, it's like, you know, when people try to like do stuff and work when there's like a cat sitting on them. That's how I feel like right now, minus the allergies. Ketchup was sold as medicine that could cure ailments like diarrhea. I'm using C# Dragonfire. I'm asking because I'm trying to learn to program in Godot, but might be considering going to Unreal in the future. Curious if I have any advice. I think the most important thing is you do what you sort of enjoy. Like if you wanna learn C++ and you might want to use Unreal in the future, then like it's a good idea to start using C++ so that you can learn it. Yeah. Do what you like. Maybe if Grout is still here, maybe he can comment a little bit more, but I'm not sure what the like if you're new, I don't know what the workflow with C++ and Godot is like, how accessible that is to new folks right now, because I've never tried it. The C++ support. You can use C++ in Godot. I know that there's a version of Godot that you can use it, but I don't think it's... So Godot's like native script is GD script. And then I think C# is like maybe the second in terms of like how well a language is supported. Because I think C# is like 99% supported. And then I think C++ is not as supported as C#. That's my understanding. Feel free to correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah. So in that case, like I would sort of almost say that if you're new and you want to learn C++, like maybe it's better to use something that has better support, but maybe it has very good support. I'm not actually sure. You can use C++, but you miss out with a connection to the engine. Right. And hello, Pancake. And the flute snuck in there. I saw that. Hello. Been lurking. How do I know? It's not super complex with C++. It's like 90% similar to the engine's code base, but like it's not the easiest way to learn C++. Right, right. There you go. How does this work? Just stop play? Fuck. This is audio stream? Is there like a audio player? I forget. PG karaoke. This is the thing itself. What plays it? I think there's another thing that plays the in-game karaoke. Audio stream player. That's the one. Right, so this is probably the actual music file, so we probably want this. Play. Can this resume? Play. Is there not like a play back position? Turn to the position. Who knows, man? Maybe that's right. If I put that in there, who knows, man? We can try it out. Who knows? Gav knows. Gav knows. Okay. So what happens if this doesn't even have like a... How does this know? because I used the polyphonic stream, so it was different to the way that... How did I add stuff to this? So it would be like a resource thingy, right? One of these. So it'd be an audio stream, I guess. That would come in. Audio stream of some kind. Music. So if this is... then maybe I can set it stream. Like this. And then maybe if bgm dot stream does not equal null, then play. Is that crazy? We can test these functions. Posture check and hydrate. Thank you very much, HS Gaming Group. Thank you. All right, what have I missed? What have I missed? Is your game getting closer to the first alpha version? I mean, we're getting closer every day. This past month, I think like the month before, was it? I didn't make any progress, right? It was like, there was like a lot of stuff, especially with the nugget stuff. I made a whole video about that month. We basically didn't make any progress. This month, I don't think that there has been super a lot of progress, in that there's not a lot of things that were done, but there is a lot of progress in the sense that I've been getting things done, which has been good. And I've been like breaking some barriers and getting some balls rolling and getting some momentum and having fun with the project. So there's been a lot of projects, a lot of progress, like mentally for me, I would say, and that's part of the fun. And I'm feeling like with the progress that I've made, it brings me a lot of relief, which feels nice, which makes me want to work on the game more. Yeah. And things are stabilizing a bit more with like Nuggets as well, the Nuggets Entertainment folks. So like I'm getting a bit more of a rhythm going and all that stuff. Yeah, it's good. There isn't really dedicated documentation for C++ and Godot, so if yeah, that's what I'm thinking, XD stock. I'm programming more in web, but I want to learn myself for game development. Maybe just going GDescript now for ease and can apply the fundamentals I learned even after learn. I mean, that actually sounds like a decent approach to me, Dragonfire, honestly. Because I think that like the language you use doesn't matter too much. There are obvious things. Like the more you know a language, the more you can sort of leverage it. And C++ definitely has certain things that other languages don't. But at the end of the day, if you haven't been making games before, the most important thing is just getting any experience and not overwhelming yourself to the point that you make no progress. C# and GDescript are so much easier to faster iterate on. So you can crash the whole engine. Right, I see. Interesting. Yeah, I think you've got a good strategy there, Dragonfire. Honestly, like there's no losing. I think the most important thing is you just get started and try have fun, and you'll learn stuff. It's okay.
저랑 같이 카페 한잔 하실래요?
I think there's oftentimes this like image that like, oh, you got to learn C++ for insert reason, and like there are good reasons to learn C++. There are good uses for it, obviously. But it's not a good idea to learn C++ if it's too hard for you at where you're at, or if the projects that you can make with it, like console, terminal window applications, are too boring for you that it can't keep your attention, right? Then it's not a good language to start with, because then you're not doing anything. Yeah. Love it when balls roll. Good job, thanks. I do want to learn GDScript at some point. Oh my god, that's funny, Pinoy. Holy shit, I want that. Dragonfire, the Godot documentation has pretty much everywhere in there. They'll have like a tab for all of the code examples where you can switch between GDScript and C#. And I think that that's also really, really great, because you don't even need the code written in C# for you. If you understand like what the convention is between like how they translate function names and variable names or whatever from GDScript to C#, and then you can sort of figure it out from there. So I think there might even be like GDScript, an article on the Godot docs that explains the differences or something. Yeah. C# here. Bam! Look at this. Here you go. I'll put this in YouTube as well for those over there. What language is Godot? So its native language is like is GDScript, but you can also use C#. It's got very, very good support for C#, and so I use C#. Yeah. Cool. Nice. Yeah, personally I think you're on the right track, Dragon. You're good to go. In my opinion. Okay, so now that we have these, to test them, we can make the relevant cutscene actions real quick, which is not the quickest way to test them, but actually, no, we need to add it to the PG Game Master. Wait, do we though? Oh, we do a little bit. Ugh. Where was that thing that I was doing before? No, that doesn't work. Interesting. Why did I make it this way? Why did I make this private? Should have just been private set. Well, we're here. Fuck it. Okay, so how do I want to do this? I am blanking. Static be GM. But if that's the case, what's gonna set it? You know what I think we need to do? Do you guys know what I'm thinking? That's why I'm stuck right now, right? This is why I'm kind of brain farting, is because I think that there needs to be... Yeah, maybe we need to just jam it out. What do you guys think? Y'all got an idea? Yeah? What if we just jam it out? It's time to jam, everybody. Let's go. Get jamming, everybody! Oh, yeah! Jam it out! Go, go, go! Ah, jam harder! Go! Ah! Good job, everyone. Good job. Good job. Good jams. Good jams. I've got the song on twice. Meat mop, everyone. Whoops. Okay, there we are. YouTube jamming out, hell yeah. Yeah, so I'm thinking, do I just not have this? Yeah, right? Don't I, can't I, shouldn't I, maybe, shouldn't I have that? And then I have a private. This thing. I'm failing singletons. Would this work? Oh, it's static. It won't get this. Of course. Oh. Wait. How do these work again? I'm so rusty. So I need a static function that... It's this. It's this. It's this. So here... Ads! Ads! Ad break. Okay, everyone. Quick ad break. See you all in a couple minutes. I'm gonna be running ads over on YouTube as well because I have to run them on Twitch anyway. So I'm gonna do that. I'll see you all very, very soon. We're back. Oh, it's so warm. Okie dokie. All right, I remember what I'm doing here. I know what I'm doing wrong. I know what I'm doing wrong. I know what I'm doing wrong. Okay. Audio manager. I just read anti-mage here. Right, and then Anti-mage equals this. And I don't want this, per se. Instead, what I can do is return am dot bgm stream. Alright, so I'm screwing up a little, but we'll get there. No. Oh, I don't need to do anything. I got it. This took me way too long. We're already done. Cool. We're not done. There we go. I could just forego that and do am underscore. I'm not sure what I prefer at this stage, but this will work for now. Do I even want it? I think I'd prefer that I go through the game master. I'm getting caught up on stuff that don't really matter. I'm just not sure what I would prefer. Like, it's kind of convenient to have this, but I want like to have these static functions that access the stream, so I can call functions on it from wherever. But I want the audio manager to live inside the game master anyway, and so maybe it just makes more sense to go through the game master to access this, even though it's more convenient to write using these static functions. Because I think that if this ends up doing more, it's going to become an absolute mess with all these static functions. Because there might be other kinds of streams or whatever. Yeah, I think I don't prefer this. And we just won't make these static. And then in here we would have a interesting. That was just a name suggestion. Kind of cool. Can I just do this here? Is that okay? Or do I need to do that in here? Could just do it here. It's okay to me. It's okay to me. Yeah, we'll just do this. It's probably fine. Swap Marius' position. You got it. Hey, that's a decent position. Well mounted. get out of here. Oh yeah, someone asking. Okay, actually, no one asked. Who asked? No one asked. I love Mars and I want to see him. Well, there you go. He's a little cutie. So then we should be good at this point. So let's go to cutscene actions. Let's duplicate this one. Play BGM. Audio stream. Song. Bum 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 bum. Well, this is the wrong part. This goes down here. Play. Okay, so ass. Oh no, I want the audio manager first. Ah, no, I've got all the other functionality in here, so we're probably good. So just
Ads! Ads!
ads. Just do this, that's probably fine, and then we're good. Song. CAMPFIRESONG, song. Right, because in here I did that. Yep. We're good, we're good, we're good. So that should work. Stop BGM.
Oh boy!
Oh boy.
Your co-working streams really help me getting things done.
Let's see who that was. Rakuder, thank you very much for the tier 1 sub. 8 months, yo. And I'm glad to hear that my co-working streams help. That's nice to hear. They help me too. Helps a lot. Thank you so much. C sharp. Oh, I can't remember. It might be 6 or 7. Can't remember. Plus check and hydrate. Thank you. It might be 7 actually, because I remember starting with 6 and then upgrading once. So I think it was. I might actually be using 7. Yeah, there are different versions, Pinoy. Keeps on getting better. Literally nobody asked. Jeez. Oh yeah, maybe it was the .NET version. I think you're right, Deflute. I don't know if that's the difference. Okay. So these exist. So now we need the helpers. Any helpers? Okay. So let's make the 1, 2, 3. Actually, let's just make 2. 1, and then This is gonna be play BGM. And it's gonna have an audio stream song. This is play BGM song. I like just work, you know, where you're just kind of noodling. It's kind of nice. Not thinking super hard. It's kind of nice. And let's do it again. Oh. Oh boy. I saw that Elden Ring was on sale and I was super tempted to get it because I still want to try one of the Souls games. But I was thinking of doing Dark Souls 1. They both update together, right? Right, I see. .NET is at version 8, right. I'm pretty sure I don't have version 8 unless it installed like randomly. I don't know where to check. Elden Ring is more chill. Just play Cuphead. I already played Cuphead. The thing is, I just kind of want to do boss fights, and every time I think of Elden Ring, it's like a lot of like all the exploration stuff. I don't really want to do that. Like that's not why I want to get into them right now, because I've never played any of them. The thing that I'm most interested in is I want really hard boss fights. That's all. I want as least of the other fluff as possible. I want to just get spanked by a boss. That's it. That's what I want more than anything. I want to see what it's like. To play Dark Souls 3. I haven't played Hollow Knight yet. No. But I want to specifically play one of the Dark Souls games because I hear so much about them and I haven't played them. Like I've seen some people play them and it's been fun to watch them, but I've just never tried it myself. Bloodborne, I've heard really good things about Bloodborne. I heard that combat is like faster or something. See, the reason why I'm interested is because I played Final Fantasy VII Rebirth on hard mode, and I platinumed that game and I completed the playlog. That was hard work, but that is to this day the hardest game I have ever played when played on hard. That is the hardest game I've ever played, and it's not even close. And so what I really want to see is how does Dark Souls, that has like quite the reputation, how does that stack up against Final Fantasy VII Rebirth? You gonna platinum Dark Souls 1? No. Probably. Well, I don't know. If I really like the game, then I will. But Maybe I will, but yeah. Some bosses of Hollow Knight are really hard. That's nice. Yeah, Hollow Knight I've seen really good things about. I'm definitely curious about Hollow Knight as well. To put a pause between the start of the attack and when they actually attack is something that appeals to you. Yeah, go play Elden Ring. I mean, that does a little bit appeal to me. The thing is, these kind of games like Final Fantasy VII Rebirth on hard is incredibly stressful. And like I enjoy overcoming that kind of thing, but like I can't do it for too long. It's too much for me personally. So like if I did Dark Souls, I just kind of want to get a taste of it, and then sort of see how I feel. If I keep getting drawn into the game, I'll keep playing it, but I might just like get a feel for it and be like, oh, okay, I see, and then maybe move on. The combat was interesting in Final Fantasy VII. It was incredibly good. The combat in Final Fantasy VII Rebirth was so incredibly good. Holy fuck! And the lengths the normal mode was challenging, right? But the thing is, you didn't have to make use of every tool in your arsenal in normal mode. But in hard mode, they forced you to use every single mechanic you can possibly imagine. At the same time, you had to master everything, and that's very interesting. That would be wholly unappealing to so many people because it's just like overwhelmingly too much, which is why it's in hard mode that you can only access after you finish the game. Like I think it's way too much to push on anyone, but if you want to do that challenge, if you're an absolute masochist, then it's okay. But then it becomes very interesting in the way that they crafted their combat, and it's some of the best that I've seen. I haven't bought Dark Souls 1 yet. No. Titan Souls, try that one. Very difficult boss rush game. Interesting. Titan Souls. Oh, it's like a 2D one. Saved 90% on Titan Souls? Wait, hold up. This is 90% off right now? Yo, this game is $1 right now. Holy shit. I feel bad. The offer ends on the 11th of July. Okay. I don't want to buy it for 90% off. Titan Souls here. You can always choose FromSoft games. Oh, okay. It was hard, so you noped out. Interesting. My functions are shouting at me because these are like these special functions that get used in like cutscene scripts. So an example is this here. It's just these kind of things, right? You're just pushing actions into the queue for the cutscene. They're super special functions. It was free for PlayStation Plus people a long while ago. Oh. Faster and more deliberate. I think I prefer that kind of stuff, Sophie. I've had that conversation with some friends as well who love all the Souls games, and they were like, oh yeah, Bloodborne was their favorite. They're like, but it's a really fast game. I'm not sure if you're gonna. I'm like, yo, I played Final Fantasy VII Rebirth. That game is so incredibly fast. Holy shit. So I like it. I like the fast stuff. I really like games where you don't have a second to think. You're just in the zone, and like it feels like your brain is like seconds ahead of where you're actually at in real time. You know what I mean? You get so locked in, and yeah, I love that kind of shit. And so like fast action games kind of do that. MOBAs are kind of like that for me as well. I like that stuff. I like that stuff. It's good. It's good stuff. Okay, so where am I? I have my cutscene actions now. They should, in theory, play songs. Let's try it. Let's try it. Okay, so let's try it. Scuba Melody. I'm so sorry. I'm going to be playing this song again for you all. Okay. I think I'm doing this right. Song. So maybe we can play the song, play BGM before the dialogue starts. And then after, we can stop BGM. We can see if this works. If this works first try, it's a fucking Christmas miracle, but like there's no shot. Playing MOBAs on 150 ms is fun. Wait, hold on, what? 150 ms? That's rough. Alright, y'all ready? Here we go! Here we go! Okay. Never mind.
Toggle! My wounds, boy!
My fucking wounds, boy. Audio manager line 13. This was no. Oh yeah, of course. That. Yeah, sure. Maybe. Should I do like an on ready for this? When should that happen? I feel like on ready is probably fine. Oh god. Blanking so much. Yeah, it is override. Stand-up time, nice. Excited to play. Wait, you're excited to play Final Fantasy 16? Nice. 2 years sober now. I gotta predict all the time. Yeah, that's true. That's true. All right, here we go. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. Fuck. $18. What's this stream? Wait, what? Did this not happen? Hey, Rob Chuck. Hello. Huh. Okay, so this didn't get called because PG Game Master. Oh, it's not a child of this. That's why. Right. Right, 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 right. Right. You know what? True. Do I want it to be a child? Probably. But if that's the case... How do I make this? Oh, it's global class. That's what that is. Okay. So then in here, audio manager here, add audio manager. And then this needs a BGM stream, which is going to be a audio stream player 2D. Create. Like this. So now this is going to be set. And that means, yeah, right. So now this feels nice because now I feel like I'm actually doing this the Godot way, which sometimes I struggle to do because I take big breaks between I do programming. And it affects my progress sometimes. I forget some shit of how the engine works. But now I remember. So I think this way is going to be much nicer because now I'm actually using nodes and scenes a little bit better. I'm not creating stuff in constructors. And this should work. So this has a stream now. This has the audio manager. I don't see how it complains, but I also believe in its ability to do that. It looks so strange without a beanie. Damn. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And the music stopped. It might continue. No, it started from scratch. Oh, it's because I pressed play, not resume. Let me take a look at the code. It worked. Enter play, resume.
Oh, yes, 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 yes.
Yes, 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 yes. Does this return the playhead? It might, I'm not sure. Stream music. So if we go back to the bucket thing. What I want to do is resume BGM. I don't even know if I want a resume BGM function, honestly. And we'll play the dialogue again. Then we'll resume and we'll play the dialogue again. We'll see how that goes. Your Besaid message, you saw it? Nice. Okay, here we go. I will. Sorry, Dizzies. Okay. Then I should stop. Right. Game is soft locked somehow. Oh, I know why. My bad. I didn't block off to these. Where's the... Okay, let's try again. Oh, okay, I was too quick. And we'll see if it resumes or not. No. It doesn't. Did I do resume? I did, but it didn't work. So I think stop... Trump won. All right. Thanks for the follow. Also, Aruv, thank you very much for the follow. I missed yours. So I think stop probably resets the playhead. Now, there's something that I can probably do about that. I could probably get the position. When we stop it. So if I want to resume it, it just resumes from the last position. Yeah, that could work actually. So if we play something, we will play it from the beginning. Or if we're creating a new track, if we're starting changing to a new track, we'll start it from the beginning. Maybe this should have like a... Maybe you don't want to start from the beginning, but then this will work out pretty well here anyway. So that this could just equal some other parameter. I don't want to go there right now though. And then so when you stop here, then this equals bgm stream dot get position. So we'll have a rough playback position at least. And then when we resume from here. This could work. Oh, oh, oh.
Oh boy!
Too hot for Beanie? Why stop there?
Marius, thank you so much for the resub. 61 months. Holy cow. Thank you so much. Hope you're doing well, dog. It's crazy. Let's see if this continues. Oh, it did continue. It resumed. Nice. Hell yeah. Sky of Breeze, thank you so much for the follow. Much appreciated. Okay. Actually done. Holy shit. We also did yeah, right. I know. Wait, I do need these floats for fade out. I'm gonna keep this here because it's gonna be good for notes. Yeah. We can maybe add the floats here. No, I think we'll deal with that later because I'm not doing it right now. The songs themselves can just have fade-ins if need be. Exclamation, let's go. All right, the next thing that I want to work on is camera stuff. Now, there's a lot of stuff about cameras that I don't really know in this yet, but I had an idea last night while laying in bed for how I want to handle it, so we'll see how it goes. Vacation starts today. Nice. That's fun. That's fun. Summer vacay. Do you all in Norway do the take 5 weeks at a time in summer as well, and the entire nation shuts down? Do you do the same thing as here in Sweden? Today I learned, pretty much nice, that Megan Thee Stallion used the ENVA for the MC from JJ Cow. That is a lot of acronyms that I don't actually know to do the intro for a song. I understood like 20% of that sentence, Pete. I know who Megan Thee Stallion is, and I know what TIL means, and I pretty much don't know the rest. Only taking 4, saving that last one. Ah, yes, for a rainy day. Yeah, it's a. There's a lot to unpack there. Yeah, true. I love that rune pickaxe you've got there. It's not a rune pickaxe. It's Minecraft. My bad. Looks like a rune pickaxe. Oh, ENVA, English voice actor. Right. Gotcha. On it. Holy shit. Gotcha. It all makes sense. That's bizarre that I actually knew all those words. But like with all those acronyms, I didn't know them at all. RuneScape living rent free in his brain. It's true. It is true. Okay, so let's do some. What I would like right now is, yeah. So what I was thinking was, if we go back to Game Master, we'll have a camera in here. This is what I was thinking, right? Hear me out, chat. What if? Because main character has a camera. Yeah. Okay. So put this camera here, but this one is not active. I don't want it to be active, and I know that you can choose what camera you want to be active and to not be active. Just copy this camera entirely, actually. Yes, paste. Enabled. It's probably this. And this here is going to be the cutscene camera. And this will always exist, no matter what level I go to, no matter what. So then what I'm thinking is, if I ever need to pan the camera, because the main character has a camera, I'll just switch which camera is active. I don't know if enabled is right, because I read somewhere in the Godot docs, camera 2D, that there's a thing active. Enable controls with the camera can be active. That's not, so that's actually not. Next camera 2D in the scene tree become active. Interesting. There is current. Make current. This is what I want. This is what I want. Make current. What do I do if I never want this one to start as current? Current. Huh. Okay. How do I make not current? I guess I can just keep it disabled. And when I need it, I'll just enable it and then make it current. I think that makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. And then maybe I can make a camera manager class, because if I ever want like camera effects or something like that, does that make sense? Again, I don't want more things in the Game Master. S Snape Man, thank you so much for the follow. Much appreciated. If the nation shut down, I don't know about that part. Yeah. Like it's kind of tough when everyone does take the vacays at the same time, like even here in Sweden. But I think everyone just goes, well, we all feel it, and that's okay, because at least we can enjoy the sun while we have it, you know? So like I know that the it's holiday vacay period now at Nuggets, at the Nuggets studio. So this next month is going to be kind of all over the place. So I have a video that's being made for them that I've been working on, and hopefully it'll come out Monday. We'll see. There's some things that might take a little bit more time, but yeah, we talk a little bit about the fact that some people, that a lot of the studio won't all be there for the next month. Yeah. I remember when I was doing Satisfactory stuff, some folks would get kind of bothered by the fact that things didn't happen over that time. They're like, lazy devs, you know? No one here cares, man. This is Sweden, this is how it works here. So we all get 5 weeks vacation, and you're allowed to take them in summer. It is what it is. So what do I do with this camera? Yeah, we can maybe. What if I do make? Yeah, what if I do make a PG cutscene camera? Well, just a PG camera in general, so I could use it. I could use it for my main character, and I could use it for the cuts. Yeah. I should. You know what? I should. You know, I think I should. Oop. Oh no. Change type. Yes, you are now a PG camera. That's right. One of us. Those mindsets, man. Yeah. Is what it is. Stop making videos, go hurry, make the game come out faster. Yeah, got that one too. Yeah, that whole hoodie situation, that was good. Groud, or anyone that might know, if you're still here and if you feel like chiming in, I get these errors here randomly about my dialogue manager, and it's got to do with and also some other things, but I do often get it with the dialogue manager. The thing is, the dialogue manager works completely fine, and I don't really know why these are here. And it says like, make sure resources have been imported by opening the project in the editor at least once, and it's like I have done that. I have. Cannot load? What do you mean? Everything works. Like, it works. It's right here. It works. So I don't know. Is this like a known thing? If anyone knows how to get rid of these, please feel free to chime in. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty good. So then in here I can have like certain camera effects, and I can run them on whatever camera I want now. So that would be good. And then, but I'm not going to do any of them just yet. But I could have Could I have the panning and moving functionality in here? I feel like that makes sense here. This camera could be in a bunch of different states. Okay, so if we have a because I know that the cameras currently have like a smoothing thing. I'm trying to think how I differentiate between, because there's already smoothing with the cameras. Oh, this is not going to work, is it? Oh, it did work, as you can see. But if I just like magically zoop this guy across the map, this camera is gonna like very quickly like go over there and then ease in to their position. But what I'm thinking is, how am I gonna make it so that I can make the camera scroll at a fixed speed. I mean, I could just disable the smoothing if I need to. Another thing that I was thinking just now is like, what if this camera, not this camera, the Game Master camera, was a child of like the camera's target? And so instead of moving the camera around, we move that target. And that will give us smoothing. And we can slowly move it around. I feel like this is actually a decent idea. In the same way that it works for the character. And then so in here, if I want to have like smooth panning, right? So I can always just set a target position. I can just move to and from things. And I can turn on or off smoothing if I want. Actually not that terrible. And then what I can do is I will have I could either assume that the parent of the target is the target, or I can just set the target. So in the case of the main character, it'll be the main character. Game has zooping confirmed, it's true. You love the word zoop, it's a fun word. Well, let's do a test, actually. Does this still work? It should. I feel like it should. Yeah, I still have the smoothing. So maybe this is good. Oh, it's already private. Dumb. And then I can have a vector to target position. And then it would just be silly to do this on the main character, per se. Well, not necessarily. It might work in some cases. Actually, this works this works really well on the main character, because I feel like I could, if I ever want to do things where you can kind of like pan the screen to see where you're going, I think this might end up working out fairly nicely to have this target position. And then cutscene cameras can use the target position in another way. Whoop! Ads! Ads! A private's private. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. That's not what I'm supposed to say at this part. Jeez. NPC ads! Here running the wrong dialogue tree. Ad break, everybody. Ad break. I'm going to be back in a couple minutes. Going to run some ads on YouTube as well. You can skip the ads if you wish, or you can watch them to support the channel, and I'll see you all in a couple. We're back. We're back, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back from the ad break. All right, time to continue. Okay, so we'll have this target position. And then I could have this camera constantly trying to get to the target position. More like a pan target. So there's something here. I feel I need like a bowl, potentially. How do I want to do this? Currently I'm thinking, what do I do to kick it off, right? So if I tell this, hey, pan from there to there, I can set the pan start position, the end position. We can give it like a speed, right? So there'll be like a speed. Pan speed. Panning action, right? So this is specifically for panning. So there'll be a function that'll be like void pan, right? And there'll be a vector 2 from to 2 and then speed. And that'll be something. And then when that happens, we should probably cache the direction, which will be a vector 2. So we have this, and then we set this equals from, and 2 equals 2, and then we're kind of set up, right? So now we're in this weird state where it's like, well, we want to actually do this pan. So how do I know when I'm panning and when I'm not panning? So that's the thing. I can either set like a boolean here to say like, all right, it's pan time. And then when the pan's complete, the boolean can be switched back to false. That's okay. Yeah, actually, this is not too bad. See, because yeah, now that I specify that this is a panning action, the other thing is there's two situations I'm thinking in my head. Is if I'm going to be using this target node to move around, to maybe shift the screen around while you're playing so that you can see a little bit, you know, beyond what you can normally see, which is a good feature. That would be something else. That would just take the target node and you just push it to wherever the user's input is, and that the natural springiness of the camera will take care of the rest. But this panning action is something else. So that'll get this from and to, and then we just move the target node in the direction at a fixed speed. And I do want a fixed speed. And then there'll be some natural springiness that will come from the camera. And I think that will work just fine. I guess the way we can do it is here. Maybe we can have a function is panning, and we can say return target node dot global position minus, is minus what I want here? Or no, I think it doesn't matter. I think it doesn't matter. Minus pan 2, which is going to have to be global. Square, length squared is greater than some small amount. Something like that. I don't know. We'll see. So we can use that, check if we're panning or not. But another thing that we can check is maybe if this is 0 and that is 0, or if that is equal to that, or rather not equal to. So pan from does not equal pan 2, and the position of the target node to the 2 thing, there's some distance. I think that's a decent is panning function there. Oh, end of stream. So I think that might actually be decent. I'm just trying to think of like when the game loads, what state are we in? We're in a state where these two are 0. So then is panning will be false. So that's pretty good. So if we're panning, then target node dot position. Oh boy, is this gonna do the wait? I can set it good. Plus equals I think I can use here, which will be this multiplied by pan speed multiplied by delta, I guess. I feel like that will work. I feel like that will work. You know? The thing about programming is it's all about feeling, all right? Don't worry about this logic shit, all right? Program with feeling, chat, okay? Just remember. Program with feeling. Yeah, feels good. Should work. Okay. This part I'm a little bit length squared. I'm a little bit unsure of this. Because if this distance is very small, is there a length squared? So 0.1 Heroic replicas, yo, with the double follower, by the way. Holy cow! How you doing, dog? Thank you very much for the follow. Is that Dave himself?
Oh boy!
Zoink.
Zoink! Thank you very much for the resub. Much appreciated. For the prime. Thank you so much. Helps a lot. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. I'm derping on this part. So length squared. If we're really close, and it's
Double zoink.
whoa! Double zoink! Let's go! Zoinks! Plural zoinks. Thank you very much for the double zoinks. Helps a lot. Hope you're doing well. Because if this is really small, if this is like 0.1, 0.1 times 0.1 is 0.001. So what should I do here? How do I know that they're... Oh, maybe if it's less than 1? Oh, actually, there's also something pretty bad. Huh, actually, there's something else that I didn't even think of. Yeah. I don't like thinking about this. You've been Dave this whole time? Oh my god. I got a thing in the mail for Stefan. You'll probably see it soon enough. Wait, you got a thing in the mail? Something arrived on your end? Alright, alright. Hopefully, ooh, when am I gonna see him next? I don't know if he's going on vacay or not. Hopefully he sends a message or something if there's something. Heading to, oh, okay. It's heading to Stefan. Okay, okay. Yeah, nice. Do you know what the ETA is? Also, I just realized that I said we're gonna be on vacation. Whoa!
Redundant Pancake just gifted 5 months of subs to the community on Twitch. They've gifted 51 subs to the channel.
Yo, Pancake, thank you so much for the 5 gifted, dog. Much appreciated. Thank you so much, man. Enjoy your emotes, everyone. Yeah, and ad-free viewing. Nice. But yeah, Dave, I know we've had issues with these sending stuff and us going on vacation, and it's going to be vacay period again, but I think there's going to be people at the office all the time. It's not like complete shutdown, so it's going to be okay. I'm curious, though. I'm curious. Okay, so the thing that I want to do... Right, okay, so there's one part of... I'm not doing very good at verbalizing what I need. First thing. I need to figure out when we're close enough to this thing. And actually, maybe they fix themselves. So we don't do this. Right. So now what I can probably do... This is kind of weird, but it will work. Pan. Oh my, what am I doing? .0. And what I'm thinking is panning. Make a function here.
Oh boy!
Do pan.
Hello, folks. Hope everyone is well.
I'm not keeping this in the process function because I imagine that this process function may need to handle other camera related things in the future. So I'm just going to keep it simple here. If we're panning, do pan. And this is going to handle everything else that we need. We'll have to pass in delta, I guess. We can make that a float. B-Transu, thank you so much for the 38 months. Holy cow, thank you so much. I am doing well. I hope you're doing well as well. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Hey, Nicole, my colleague is talking about his AI project, and he's super excited about it. You're zoning out. Oof. Oof. What kind of AI project? Are they making an AI? Some built-in method for if it's tiny is zero proxy. Yeah, so that's what I was thinking of, Aramang. But there was another issue in my mind, which is you can skip over those, right? So like, right? So let's say, at least in the way that I'm doing it right now, let's say we're going, Jesus, I can't see anything. Holy cow. Okay, let's say I'm starting here, start, and then, you know, end. Right? And then we're like, boop, 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 right? So say we're here on one frame, and we're some distance. We'll just say the distance is 3, right? But then the next frame, But actually, it turns out that per frame, I move 6. Right? So then I'm going to get here, and the distance is still 3. So it's possible. So it's not that we should check to see if the amount is small enough. I need to check if I've gone past it. And if I've gone past it, then set it to be the thing. And that's the fix here. And I was getting confused because like I'm super out of practice, and I was like, yeah, I know that you're supposed to like check if the numbers are small enough, but then I was looking at the length squared, and length squared doesn't work out that way, because length squared could be, yeah, if I'm 0.1 away, right? Well, what's that squared? That's 0.01. And that's not quite what we were hoping for when comparing likeness. It's very easy to be like, well, you know, make sure, I don't know. It's kind of confusing. Hard for me to explain because I'm rusty. So, but this is okay, because what we do have is we have the normalized direction. And so what we can do is we can get the dot product of that and see if the new direction is... we actually don't even need the normalized. We can get the dot product from pen, from, and to, and then get the dot product from our position and to, and make sure that they're in line. And if they're not in line anymore, set them to the correct position, and we're good to go. That's right. How do we do this? Do I subtract them? I forget. Oh, that's what I want. Now, which one do I want a dot product? MS Paint. We're starting here. We're going here. Well, no, right. Huh? Oh, right. So no, that's this vector. Yeah. So I've got that one. And then I need the other vector, and then dot product those two. Right, I understand. So we've got this one. And this will be, it will be pen to this. Did whatever. If the dot product, I think, is negative, less than 0, or I can't remember. I'm too rusty. Equals and 2. Let's read this again. So we move, and if, and then we get this is the direction that we're traveling in, and if the new direction, which is where we're going minus our position, so we dot those together. If they're in line, they'll be 1. Yeah. And then if they're not in line, they'll be negative 1. Yeah, this is correct. And if we've gone past, set it, and then reset pan, and then we should be good. Okay, I'm comfortable with that. Terrence Howard over here reinventing math. Terrence Howard. Oh. Pain is coming out, yeah. Okay, cool. Interesting. That is indeed interesting. So PG Game Master. We don't have a reference, I think, to the camera. So let's make one. PG camera. Cutscene camera. I love this song. Yeah. Hang on, Pine Peach. Fuck, this song slaps! Holy shit, so good! Actually illegal. Actually illegal. Okay, so that's fine. Figured it was coming from your Spotify. Good music. No. Great music, yeah. So playlist if you want, by the way, everyone. YouTube music version or Spotify version. I think the YouTube music one is the most up to date because I don't use Spotify anymore. But it has most of them. Has this song. And this song is called Endless and Artificial. And you know what? Play the same song. We'll play it again. It's very good. Okay. What am I doing next? I'm making cutscene actions. I think I want a separate cutscene action for swapping cameras, maybe. I don't know if I want to bake that in automatically. Maybe I do. The other thing... Oh, there's another step in when panning that I forgot about. Hang on a second. When I do the pan... I need to set the target node position to... oh, that's the global position, by the way. Oh, and that's a global position, by the way. I have to set that to target, to pan to. The other thing I need to do is I need to say to this camera, fuck, what's it called? Reset smoothing. So this positions the camera to the starting point of the pan, and then reset smoothing will make it so that like the smoothing of the camera doesn't like smoothly like shoot over to the starting position. I want it to snap, basically. So reset smoothing means that the camera will snap to the target node's position. Yo, Mason. Hello. Mason's the editor for my videos and stuff like that. And they do create content too. They do the Satisfactory News channel, by the way. Wait, why doesn't that command do anything? Alright. Something to investigate. Editor? I swear to God I had a command for this. Okay. Where was I? Here. Pan camera. Pan camera. And this here run is gonna is blocking. In this case, it should be false. And this here, fuck. Vector 2 from vector 2 to float speed. Mason.exe stopped working. No, don't stop. Switch on stage? Use Switch because Switch doesn't get enough love. Or, I don't know, does it? And then here, we want to start the pan. No, we just want this to be an if. Ooh, I forget what my true is when it's done, I think. Yes. True is when it's done. Fuck. There's too many of these. I can't really comment this. Okay, right. If we're skipping though. If we're skipping. So if we're skipping the cutscene, if this is true, then this won't happen because this needs to be false. And if this is true, then this just returns true right away, and we don't get into this. So that's pretty good. Okay, so let's do the other stuff required for this then. Just all this shit. Just all the screaming functions. To get more swords at the table. I know we have too many. I think we have too many. We're gonna have to cull some of the swords. Skipping cutscene, is that even legal? It is. It is now. Too many people have the power, it's true. Someone said they played Final Fantasy 14 and they skipped all the cutscenes. Crazy. Not liking that I have to specify this default value everywhere, like a million different places. Maybe I should just leave it as 0 everywhere, and then if it's 0 in here, yeah, I think I'm gonna do it that way. Makes a little bit more sense to me. Whoop. If I do this, it goes here, and then we go to here. This is so strange. So weird. Okay, so we have the pan camera. So now the action we want is to swap camera. Now the thing that I was thinking about for swapping camera, I might make just like a global enum or something, just so it makes it a little bit, even though like there's only ever going to be 2 cameras, it'll at least, whenever I'm doing swapping the camera or whatever, it's going to make the intention of which camera I'm swapping to a little bit easier, I think. go to PG Globals. Could be that we might have other cameras for, I don't know, main menu or something. I don't know. Who knows? This can always be true. I feel like this should be done in the game master and not be done here. So I'm going to make a function for it, even though it won't really make a difference. But I just have a sense that like later I will probably need it. So void swap camera. Okay, I think that's it. I've been thinking it would be fun to play Final Fantasy 14. I've still only done the main scenario quest, and I saw that they were doing some stuff. There was I played through that whole thing with a friend of mine. He's a friend of mine from high school, and I was thinking, oh man, it would actually be kind of fun if I did streams of that game with him. I think it would be pretty fun. He's a pretty entertaining guy. Yeah. Thanks for being awesome, Jace. Appreciate all you. Thank you so much, Pirate. That's really kind. Holy hell. That's really nice. Thank you. Much appreciated. Helps a lot. Rather than not play with him, right? Yeah. See, I don't want to play that game without him because like we played it together. And the other thing was like me and him, we played Final Fantasy 15 together as well when that like on launch, and that's not a multiplayer game, or maybe there's things with it now, but yeah, but basically we would just jump on call together, and he lives in Australia, and we would just do this. We would just play through the game at the same time. and we would do all the same things together. Like, oh, okay, we got this quest, we got this, we're gonna go here now. And then I'm like, oh, I'm here now. It's like, oh, I'm not there yet. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna grab a snack. Wait up when you get there or whatever. It was really cool. Yeah, it was super fun. It's kind of nice. Like, honestly, it's kind of weird, but honestly, I feel like that game, that specific playthrough that I had with my friend would have been so much better if I could have just seen his avatar and nothing else, right? But like, I know if you open that Pandora's box a little bit, then you're gonna be like, oh, I wish I could have all this, right? But like, I'm just saying, even if it was something as simple as just seeing his position in the world, that would have made that playthrough pretty interesting, like even better than it was. Oh, thanks, Dizzy's. It's very kind. Okay, cutscene helpers. Screaming area. Push swap cam. PG cameras dot. Dot camera. Dun dun dun. This song reminds me of Satisfactory and building turbo fuel. Bum 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 bum. Okay. 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 So one other thing I was thinking was the pushing cam stuff. I had this idea in the past of having these cues that I can place in the world. And I can use them to position stuff a little bit easier, and I can give them names for cutscenes. Yeah, cue container, see? And that way I can move the cues around if I need them for panning, for example. And I don't have to change anything in the code. Now, the problem with this is I designed this system when I knew less about Godot, and I'm not actually sure if this works. It's oddly specific. I mean, it's easier than trying to find, like, position a camera, like to try to find like a focus point. I don't know. Maybe it isn't. I don't know. But if I could have them and their names are... The other thing is, like, the cues can be used for other things too, like where NPCs should walk to, for example. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah, right. That it's the me making turbo fuel. Yeah. Yeah, we've listed a lot of City Girl while building that shit. Holy cow. Also, hello, Aliana. Okay. So for now, let's maybe just make a couple nodes and get their positions. Here's a node. So let's pan from here, which is minus 204 to 333. So this person, music will start, this person will talk to us, and then we, once that's done, we can do a pan. Minus 204, 3833. the speed, we'll leave it at 0 like this and just see what that looks like for starters. Oh, come on. What? I'm so dumb. Having one of those moments. Okay, so we pan up to here. 380, 181. We don't even need the Fs. Get them out of here. All right. And then we're blocking this now. So our character and the music should continue while the pen is going. That is the intention. All right. Moment of truth. Oktoberfest was a long process. It really was. A lot of things went on during the building. Yeah. So glad we have separate audio tracks on the recording so I don't have to listen to City Girl at 2 times speed anymore. All these songs sound too slow to me because I spent so long watching your streams at 2 times speed in the edit. Made my 9-core version apparently nice. Holy shit. Yeah. Mason has been going hard on the remaining Satisfactory videos, by the way. So make sure to sub to the YouTube channel if you want to see how that all turned out. How are you using C# in Godot? I never think of it, but now I want to know how I can using another language in Godot. So Godot has you can get the .NET version, right? So Godot C#. Search for this Godot. This here. Download the .NET version. So here, this is the Godot website, and so normally you would download this one, right? But if you want C#, you have to download this one here, .NET. Now, if you want to, this is the engine that supports .NET, but then you do need some kind of like editor, code it. Well, I think you need. I don't know if you can use the in-engine editors or not. Maybe you can, but you might need some external editor, and I use VS Code for that. I do have a video if you need a tutorial on how to get that set up. I have a video that still works for people to this day. I get comments from people saying like, holy shit, this helped. So I'll send it to you in case it helps you as well. The video is very long, but it's actually only the first 8 minutes that you need. The first 8 minutes is the tutorial. Okay, here it is. Here you go. Boom. Boom. Help me, please. This man has locked me in his basement and forced me to watch 100 hours of your live stream. I just want to get back to my family and no. Edit. Keep editing. Can we use JavaScript? I don't believe you can. I've not heard of JavaScript support for Godot. I've heard C#, C++. I think Rust is getting support, right? I think. I'm actually thinking of learning Rust soon. I think I'd like to, actually. Just to sort of, it seems a bit different, and I'd like to make something in Rust. So I might do something really, really small one day. But right now, I'm using C#. I really like learning new languages. Okay. So, yeah, moment of truth. Let's see what happens. Can we use assembly? Probably not. I'm not sure. Maybe, but probably not. Probably not. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna pause music. Okay, here we go. Disappeared. Music. Nice. And then pan. Fuck. No errors though. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Oh, well, no, I didn't even swap the camera. Oh, I messed up.
No.
I messed up. So first things first. Pan camera. Swap camera. to cutscene camera. Right? And then after the panning is done, we swap to main camera. Block till dialogue is finished. Do we not have a shortcut for this? Oh, what's the... Okay, weird. I do have a block. Okay, so this probably works. Let me double check this. This was false, so we go into here. Well, let's just check again. Alright, alright. I think ads are about to run, though. See if we can get this before the ad break. Alright, music. Okay, pan. Yeah, Jumbo yikes. Jumbo yikes. If you snooze the ads, I can't. It gets to a point where if it says ads starting soon, after the countdown hits, oh, here they come. You can't snooze them anymore. Okay, see you guys in 3 minutes. Gonna run ads on YouTube as well, because I have to run them on Twitch. So feel free to watch the ads to support the channel, or skip them. Do whatever you want, and I'll see you all in a... We're back. Back from the ad break. Welcome back, everybody. Okay, so let's figure out what's wrong. Oh god, the music. This is false. So this should step in here. Okay. So this is false. This fucking song, please.
It's time to party!
Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Fluxo! Welcome in with the raid. Holy cow. Welcome in, Raiders. Blue! Oh my god. The Raiders are here. Thank you so much for the raid, Fluxo. Much, much appreciated. I hope you had a good stream. What were you doing? What were you doing? Were you, was it satisfactory? What were you playing? What were you doing? Hope you had a good one. Welcome in, Raiders. Thank you very much for sending them over here. Much, much appreciated. Currently working on some cutscene functionality stuff. Yeah. Okay, we get back in here. That's wild. Oh, this is true now? Okay. Okay. There's something a little funky going on here. Something a little funky. Let's also play some music. And let's take out the other music for the moment. All right. Who's misbehaving here? Someone is. Someone is. Satisfactory has been my life for years, man. You know this. Not like you know much about Satisfactory or anything. Yeah, I know. I guessed it was Satisfactory. I know it's your thing. Hope you're doing well. Satisfactory noob here. Just barely finished the space travel. Yep, that's it. That's true. That is me, actually. I did barely just finish the space elevator. Oh, whoops. I was good to go, actually. What a great game, though. Satisfactory. Okay, let's see here. These are numbers. Yes. Speed is 0. Yes. Pan speed is not 0 though. It's 5. Good. Oh! Thank you for shouting out Fluxo. Much appreciated. I should have done that. Yo!
I'm a kitty.
Wait, Fluxo, that's huge. Holy shit, really? I made a dumb mistake. This is supposed to be like this. Okay, that's all it was. Jace kickstarted my career like 3 years ago with a Creator of the Week episode. Believe it or not, now it's my job. That's insane. Congratulations. Congratulations. That's so cool. That's huge that you can make a living off that. Well done. Yeah. You should be really proud of that. I'm assuming on a personal level you still hang out with some of the Satisfactory team? Yeah? Yep. Oh no, Deflute, you broke the fourth wall. Never made it to turbo fuel, but waiting for release to start fresh. Makes sense, makes sense. Yeah, it's been my job for nearly a year and a half now. Didn't make anything but 2. Holy cow. That's huge. Nice, congrats. So happy for you. Well deserved indeed. All right. Here we go. Pan? Pan? Okay. I've kept you a 20% stake. Thank you. Okay. So this is progress, even though it might not look like it. This is progress. So PG Game Master. It could be that things are moving incredibly slow. And if I left it long enough, everything would have worked out, but I don't got time for that. So swap camera. Main, get main character, camera, make current. Cutscene, cutscene, camera, make current. So this is correct. Maybe I did something wrong over here. I'm getting really tired, folks, and hungry. So we'll have to swap camera. Hey! What? Okay. Okay. We're gonna comment out everything else for the moment, because another thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the character and we're gonna actually bring them closer so we don't have to walk all the time. I don't know why I haven't done that yet. I need to confirm that the cameras work. Hungry for it? I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure. Okay, we got an error. Oh, it's not enabled. That's why. Right, of course. Of course, of course, of course. Right. Yeah. Of course, I remember now. I remember. How do I want to do this? I mean, I can just you know. I don't really like this though. Ah, this can get a little easier here, perhaps. This is a little bit nicer. So if we're doing the cutscene camera, enable the cutscene camera, and disable the main character camera, and then do this. Hopefully this order won't matter too much. I imagine it won't. Let's find out, everyone. Sounds like you'll be done there soon too. Nice. Wild missing no feed. Yo. Did that work? Easy 12 million views. What's it called again? Fanfic. Oh, nice. It's in some funny thing. I need to, yeah, we'll have to check that later. Okay, let's see here. Okay, look, we changed camera. Good. All right, let's do the whole thing. The whole cutscene, everyone. The whole cutscene. Let's game it out. Have you considered welding? PogChamp.
Oh, yes.
The music with his slow ass pad. Yeah, roll credits.
Balls are touching.
Oh my god. All right, unfortunately we couldn't afford the to pay the composer to make more music. So we're just going to have to chill here in silence. See the pixels moving one by one. We're getting there. Or loop it. We couldn't get the license for looping.
Vamonos!
We couldn't get the license for looping, unfortunately. I don't know how it got brighter as the day went on. That's kind of crazy to me. But, you know, hey. I'm not a scientist. I really hope this works. Hey, Dr. Taru. Five is too slow of a default value. 5 is too slow. What are we expecting? Character will come back and we will re-enable the main camera, and then we can walk around again. Oh, let's go.
Jace is my Hercules.
Yeah.
I love Jace.
Yeah, it's true. Its default speed needs to be quicker. Geez, how much quicker? 4 or 5 times quicker? Probably, right? Let's try it out.
Gee willikers.
$5 for the composer.
Yo, thanks, thank you so much for the, I think it's €5, I believe. Thank you so much. Much appreciated. Okay. Here we go again. Ground! Why did you submit this? Alright, default has to be quicker than this pan. Maybe it's okay, actually. It's just that it's a long pan. That's all it is, really. Nice. So that works. One thing that I was thinking, so... yeah, one thing that I wanted to try, actually, is I want to try a quicker pan. We'll do it from here. The speed can be, like... I want it to be, like, 100. This is going to be zoomies, folks, okay? So, hold on to your lunches. And after we do that, I want to delay... 2 seconds. So what I want to test here. Now, does delay block by default? Yes. So we'll see how that actually works. What I'm hoping for now is that because this fade is going to be quick, the camera is going to lag behind its target, which means the target will get to where it needs to be, and then the camera should ease into position and then delay for 2 seconds. That's what I'm hoping for. Maybe I'll make the delay a little longer because the camera will take some time to ease. It's not going to take... It'll probably take like half a second to ease. So let's see if this works. We can get rid of the music, to be honest. It's nice that it works. I kind of like that each time we do this, we get a different fanfic from chat. Okay, here we go. Okay, get ready. This is gonna be quick, all right? Okay, it wasn't that quick. It's a bit jerky though. Yeah, it eased out, and then boom. Nice. Cool. That works. That works. Yeah, there was some jerkiness there. I'm not sure what that was about. It was probably the game. It had to have been the game having some spikes for some reason. That's my guess. Add motion blur, no more jerks, true. Can you add fade to the camera swap? I don't know. I don't know if I would do it. Maybe I can. I'm not gonna do it today, but it's possible. I'm not sure if I ever need that, because I'll probably have to do like fade to blacks in the future, but I don't know if I'm ever gonna fade between, like do a cross dissolve between 2 different cameras. But even so, there's probably... Ooh, I wonder if there's even a way to do that. I don't know, something to look into later. I'm not sure if I need that though. But yeah, that was huge. So if we check out list here, done. This is all I wanted to do today. I think I wasn't even sure if we were gonna get this far, but here we are. Wait, what's this? Oh, right. So what am I looking for again? Camera. Default speed here. We'll do it at 100. Can you do a... This should work, right? 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 Nice. Cool. That's huge. I think we submit our progress. A bit of film grain, lens flare. Yep. Yeah, we'll add everything. Chromatic aberration. We'll do it all. We'll do it all. Head bobble as well, right? Okay, so today we added cutscene actions. We added play, resume, stop BGM. We added show, hide character. We added pan camera. Added PG camera and audio manager. Cool. I think that's what we did. Is there anything else? That's it. Photo mode when? Fucking love motion blur. All right, here we are. We're gonna send it. Use the send it emote if you have it, because we're sacrificing our code to the gods. Get ready. Send it. It's going up. It's going up. All right, nice. Cool. That was great. That was great, folks. And on that note, we're probably gonna wrap it up. Holy, look how frizzy my hair is. It's so humid. My hair's got a life of its own. It's reaching out. What is my favorite dinosaur? Stegosaurus. That's not true. Archaeopteryx. Yep. Archaeopteryx. There you go. That it is true. That one is true. That's the one that I always loved when I was a kid. It's just like a weird bird. But I think all dinosaurs are just birds. Making a park on Jurassic World. Nice, nice. Yeah, see if they have that. But okay, thank you everyone for hanging out. Really, really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the stream. Jeff Goldblum in Jurassic Park. All right. Howdy, partner. My name's Jeff, and I was born and raised in Jurassic Park. And you know what they say? Life finds a way. Vamonos! And on that note, thank you everyone for watching the stream. I really appreciate it. I'm streaming tomorrow, Talos Principles, starting at 1 p.m. CET. Make sure to join the Discord. Best place to get notified for bonus streams and dev streams, for example. Otherwise, my scheduled stream is every Saturday, which is tomorrow. And YouTube channel as well. Yeah, we got some new stuff. Satisfactory videos there. Came out this week, and there'll be some more coming soon. Devlog probably soon. Maybe, but I haven't started working on it yet. Shit. Then also, VOD's channel if you want to catch up on previous streams. And that's pretty much it. That is pretty much it, folks. That is it. I say, let's give Miss Vedams a raid. I feel like I rarely get around to raiding. Oh, well, that's not true. I raid them every now and then. Well, we're doing it. Miss Vedams. There we are. Okay, thank you very much, everybody. Here are the raid messages. Raid 1 if you're a sub. Raid 2 if you're not a sub. And I will see you all hopefully tomorrow. Okay, and if not, I'll see you around. Make sure to join the Discord. Lately, we've been hanging out in VC at night. We don't talk, really. We just chat. But we've been playing Islands of Insight together, which is kind of fun. So Dexeth and I have been there. Someone else has been there. Joy has been there as well. Just chilling. So sometimes that can happen on the Discord too. So do come along. And we'll have a great old time. Thank you very much, everyone, for watching the stream. And before I go, I want to just let you all know that, as far as I can tell, the rash is gone completely. It's just, it's cured, I think. And it hasn't gone missing or anything like that. I think... Hello, if you're still there. Hello. Thank you very much for watching to the very end. And today's comment question of the day is going to be, do you prefer Coke or Pepsi? Which is it? I was a Coke believer all my life, but now lately in the past year or two, I'm all about that Pepsi. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. See you all next time. Bye.